Okay, you can see here these amber lights. I've got them set up. I'm doing a little demo of them. I want to thank the manufacturer for sending them to me. I'm excited about them. Today I want to show you these super cool LED strobe lights. You can put them on your trailer, your utility trailer, your trailer while you're working out on the highway, on the front of your truck, on the back of your truck, however you want. They're really pretty cool. They're designed with some double stick tape to go on. They're small, but I think they're super bright. I've got the amber set, and they're 12 or 24 volt, which is what we're interested in. And I read up on the wiring. You can turn these on such that they will blink together, so they'll both blink at the same time, or you can turn them on and wire them such that they'll blink every other. And you can also wire them in sets of 4 that will blink all together, and another set of 4 that will blink opposite. And so just with putting a voltage on the white wire, once it's wired up, I mean red to red, black to black, and then depending on how you put the yellow wires together, you can have them turn on all at the same time, or you can have different sets of them turn on and blink. It's a nice heavy metal. It's a strong looking, it's not plastic, it's all alloy. There's double stick tape to hold them on the front grille of your truck or whatever else. The notes do say simultaneous flash or alternating flashing, and it just has to do with whether you hook all the yellows together and all the whites together or whatnot. Ay, ay, ay. Man, that thing is bright. Whew. Look at that. Okay, I just connected them up, and I've got red to red, black to black connected to my battery, and I have the 2 yellows connected, and that's causing it to blink together, blink simultaneously. So that's really pretty cool. And they are extremely bright. Oh my. Alright, now we're going to go through different flashing patterns. It says to change the flashing pattern, add a power to the yellow wire. So I got 3 on this side and 3 on that side flashing. It shows I can have single, I can have quadruple split, I can have quintuple, I can have triple split again, quadruple, double split, triple split, single split. So we can just kind of go through those by putting power to the yellow. See, we're going through the different modes here, and you just apply power to the yellow, which means you'd have a switch that just push to give a little power to the yellow once it's wired up. So you need a switch to turn them on, which will turn the power on to the red ones, and then you need another switch that you can push to switch modes. But here you can see they're doing 3 and 3 and 3 and 3.